How to use SD card as internal storage in Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use your SD card as an internal storage in Android. So first thing, simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see this about phone option. So simply click on it. So once you inside your about phone option, just click on this software information, and from over here just click on this build number for multiple times. As you can see, I've already been developer. You may have to click on this, tap on this build number for like 7 or more than 7 times. So once you do that, you will be successfully entered in developer mode. As you can see, I've already entered developer mode, so I will be seeing this option called developer option below the about phone option. So I will simply click on it, and once you're inside here, just scroll all the way down until you find this force allow apps to write on your external devices, external card. So let me just find that. As you can see, I've already found this option, so you just have to enable this option. So what it basically does is it will allow your SD card to be used as an internal card. So if I download any apps from the Play Store, it might be installed in my external card just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.